Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the washer for the center hinge on your fridge's door. The reason why you might have to do this is because the washer is worn out, broken, damaged, or missing, and your fridge door isn't closing properly. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the fridge we're going to be using for our demonstration here. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So there are two ways to get to these center washers right here. If you have to replace this one on the bottom, you can take off the bottom hinge there. Then you can take the door off and pull this washer off. The second way is you can take the top part off, the freezer here. So you take the hinge off up here, remove the freezer door, and then you can get to this top hinge. So the first way we're going to show you is how to do it by taking off the bottom hinge in this refrigerator door right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a block of wood underneath the door here first, and that'll just hold the door up in place. And now I'll use my 5/16 inch nut driver, and I'll remove these screws down here. Now as you remove this second screw, keep in mind that the door isn't being supported by anything but your wood, so make sure you don't bump into that wood and knock the door down. And so now that I've got the bottom hinge off, I can knock the piece of wood down and grab both sides so the door doesn't fall. And with that wood out of the way, I can now remove the bottom door here. And we can just set that off to the side. So now, with that door out of the way, we'll have access to this bottom hinge here. Now, you can grab your new OEM replacement center hinge washer. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll just put our center hinge washer straight back up on the hinge there. And it kind of stays because there's a little bit of grease on there. And now we'll put the door in place here. And we'll set it there. And stick our wood underneath it in order to hold it up. So now I'll line up our bottom hinge with the bottom hole in the door there. We'll put that in there, and then we'll turn it, and we'll line up our screw holes. Oops. Turn it, and we'll lift up on the door if we need to. So we'll line up our screw holes and screw it back in. And now we'll show you how to get the top washer off by taking off the top door here. So we'll take off the top hinge cover here, and now I'll use a 5/16 inch nut driver and remove all these screws. So now we can take the hinge off and just move that off to the side. And now we can pull the freezer door off. Just open it up and lift straight up. And now we can remove the top washer here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement center hinge washer, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we can put the new washer on there, and then we'll get our freezer door and line up the bottom hole with that hinge and slide it on. And we'll close our door up and we'll put our hinge back into place. And after you do that, you might want to just hold up your freezer door while you put the screws in, so that everything fits nicely back how it should go. And now we can put our hinge cover back on. And then we can just test our doors out and make sure they open and close nice and smooth. And after you've done that, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.